It ought to be a process. We don't care whether he's Republican, Democrat, Independent. And I'm talking theoretical, but I hope it works out in a practical matter this way, that we want a judge who's going to leave their personal views and political views out of making a decision and look at the facts of the case and then the law that applies to those facts, or those facts that apply to the law, and then make a decision based on the law and the facts and leave it out. That's the way it should be. Now, is it always that way that somebody doesn't let their personal views come in? I can't tell you that it never happens, but that's the way it ought to work.
And I'll add, when I was answering the question, I was focusing more on Senator Grassley's committee and the process by which my name got sent to the White House. That was just step one. And so then there is, as the senator noted, there are interviews out in DC then with lawyers who work for the White House. And in my case, it was President Obama, so he was a Democrat, and I had Senator Grassley as a Republican, so in some ways I was like, do I have to walk a tightrope here? And again, on both sides, it was very impressive. No one seemed to care about my politics. When I went out to Washington, D.C. for my interview with the White House lawyers, again, very focused on my qualifications. They had done a lot of research about me, about some of the rulings I had issued as a magistrate judge, all very focused on qualifications, how I would be as a judge, not questions about politics. So I really want to give credit to both sides, both Senator Grassley's committee and then the White House. No one seemed to care about my politics. It was all qualifications based. And so even then, the president had to decide whether to nominate me then and send me to the Senate. And then that started that whole Senate Judiciary Committee process. And throughout, it was very focused on merits. So I really want to give everybody involved credit. And I know I'm not the only one. At least here in Iowa, that's just the way it works. And I really appreciate that.